Hey friends, Tony from the Free Library here, and today I'm going to talk to you about rice. But do you know why I like rice? I love rice because it's cheap and it's always around. There's so many different varieties of rice. There's so many different sizes of rice. Here I have short, medium, some brown long, and some white long. And then we have what's this special guy is, some black wild rice. My personal favorite rice is jasmine rice because it has like a chewy like texture and it has a nutty flavor. But did you guys also know that rice can be cooked with many different liquids like fruit juices, teas, nut milks, and of course like water. Oh, and let's not forget stocks too. But guys, that's all I have for you today. And just remember, keep eating rice because rice is nice.
Hi, I'm Kate and I love to cook rice. I love cooking rice because it really can go with so many different things. You can make it sweet or salty or spicy. Today, we're gonna make coconut rice. I'm gonna make coconut rice at least. But first, I wanna show you how I rinse my rice. I have a cup of rice here. I'm gonna pour some water in and use my hand to move it around. It feels really nice. It feels really calming. Maybe you could say it's even meditative. I'm moving it around in a circular motion to remove extra starch or dirt. And you can see that the water's becoming gray, and that's what we want. You can use your hand to block the rice and pour out the water. And you could do it about 3 times. As long as you're seeing the water become more clear, you're on the right path. So, today I'm gonna make coconut rice and I'm gonna serve it with some roasted canned green beans that I'm gonna toss with soy sauce. What are some things that you would like to taste with rice? Or specifically coconut rice? It's up to you. Thanks.
Hey, I'm Gabby, and I really enjoy writing. Specifically poetry, because it gives me the ability to express myself in a creative way. Here's an idea of something that you can use to exercise your creative muscles. What are some adjectives that you can think of that describe rice or any other food that you enjoy or are interested in cooking? How can you take those adjectives and create a story? You can even write those adjectives down or share them with someone. Here's something I wrote, just the beginning of it. Golden, crispy, savory, and sweet are the things I love about my favorite treat. And that's me starting to write something about peach cobbler. Thanks so much for joining us, and we're wishing you happy cooking